Log Hotel by Annie Schreiber. This oak tree has been living in the forest for 100 years. One day, a strong wind knocks the tree down. The tree falls to the ground. Now the tree is a log. Soon ants and beetles move in and eat the log. They drill small tunnels in the log as they eat. The tunnels help to make the log soft as it decays. This woodpecker is listening for bugs inside the log. As soon as he hears a bug, it drills through the bark to catch it. Tap, tap, tap. Soon, living things called fungi grow on the log. Inside the log, fungi look like spaghetti. Outside the log, fungi look like mushrooms. Snails and slugs move in. They creep through the tunnels as they hunt for fresh fungi and dead beetles and ants to eat. The tunnels get bigger. The log gets softer. A snake slithers through the log. It is looking for a place to rest for the winter. Soft moss grows on the log. Green ferns grow in and around the log. This log is like a plant and animal hotel. As time goes on, more and more plants and animals move in. The log gets softer and softer. Now the shape of the log is hard to see. Earthworms eat what is left of the log. The earthworms turn what they eat into soil. The soil is the perfect place for a seed to grow. The seed will grow into a tree. One day, the tree will fall. It too will become a log hotel.